Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. So let's begin. I've taken a microwave safe bowl which is 6 inches by 6 inches. I've put in 1/4 of a cup of bamboo fiber. All the grams measurements are in the description box. I've put in 2 teaspoons of whole psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. So this is completely nut free. And just like a pinch of baking powder. And I'm giving it all a good mix in the same bowl that I'm going to use in the microwave. Salt to taste. 1/8 of a teaspoon should do the trick. And mix it all again so all your dry ingredients are well mixed. I'm putting in 1 medium egg into this, and I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And now we're going to mix this all again. It's still not ready, and don't forget I've put all the grams in the description box along with the ingredient list. And now we are going to add some hot water, not boiling but hot, and I'm going to be putting 6 tablespoons of that all together. I put in 4 just now and I still find it a little dry, so I'm going to put in 2 more. Just remember, bamboo fiber does not absorb that much water, but it needs a little fat to come to the right consistency when you bake with it. So this bread turns out really like fluffy and bread-like. So now it's ready for the microwave, and I've done it for 3 minutes in my microwave. It can be anywhere between 2.5 to 3 minutes. And there you are. I've plopped it out. I'm going to cut it into 2 slices. You can freeze this, you can toast this, and you can have some amazing sandwiches made with this bread. Enjoy it, or even with your breakfast with your scrambled eggs. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you enjoy it as I've kept it nut free, and bamboo fiber really makes the texture really nice. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye then.